In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a free logo using Figma. Start by opening your design file. Press F to select the frame tool and create a square workspace. Like 1000 by 1000 pixels. This frame acts as your logo's canvas and export area, so keeping it square helps with consistency across platforms. You can always rename the frame for easy organization later. Build your foundation with basic shapes. Press O to draw circles and R to draw rectangles. These are the building blocks of most modern logos. Hold Shift as you draw to keep proportions perfect and use alignment tools to center elements inside the frame for a balanced layout. When you need something more custom, press P to switch to the pen tool. Click to add points. Click and drag for smooth curves and use the handles to refine those curves until they feel intentional. To sculpt your design, select multiple shapes and use the Boolean operations in the top toolbar. Union to merge, subtract to cut out, intersect to keep overlaps, and exclude to remove overlaps. This is great for carving negative space or combining parts into a new symbol. A helpful tip is to duplicate your shapes first, so you can revert if you change your mind. Refine your vectors using vector networks. Select a shape and adjust individual points and handles without breaking the geometry. Aim for clean curves and the fewest points necessary for smooth edges. When your shape is finalized, use flatten to convert it into a single vector object. This keeps your paths tidy and easier to manage. Add typography by pressing T and typing your brand name. In the right-hand panel, customize the font style, weight, and size, so it complements your symbol. Look for a balance between readability and personality. Once you are happy, right? Click and choose Outline Stroke to convert the text to vector outlines. This locks in the exact appearance and makes your text editable like any other shape. Apply colors and effects in the right panel. Use Fill to set solid colors or switch to linear or radial gradients for a modern touch. Keep gradients subtle for a professional look. Under Effects, add soft shadows or gentle blurs to introduce depth without overpowering the design. When you are ready to export, make sure T here is no background layer selected. So your logo stays transparent, select your finished frame, go to the Export section and choose SVG for a scalable vector file or PNG for a transparent raster image. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.